Good morning. I am Carluigi Kalaykay. I am presenting about the Filipino scientist Liliana F. Patiña. Liliana F. Patiña is known for her work in the field of agricultural sciences, particularly in the Philippines. She has contributed to plant biotechnology and tissue culture, focusing on the improvement of crops. Her research has helped advance the propagation techniques for variations plants such as bananas, and other economically important crops, improving both productivity and resistance to disease. This has had a significant impact on food security and agricultural sustainability in the region. Lilian Patenya is a scientist specializing in molecular and cell biology. She pursued advanced education, including a PhD, to deepen her expertise. Early in her career, she faced typical challenges such as securing research funding, balancing work and personal life, and establishing a professional reputation despite these obstacles. Her dedication has led to significant contributions in her field. Lilian Patenya has made significant contributions to molecular and cell biology, focusing on gene expressions and protein functions. Her research helps elucidate how genes are regulated and how proteins interact within cells. Liliana Patenya has been recognized for her scientific contributions through specific award of honors. Scientists in her field often receive grants, fellowships, and awards from scientific societies or institutions in recognition of their work.